Hi, hello friends, welcome to the home recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make Madras special Kulambu Masala powder. Using this Kulambu Masala powder, you can prepare a variety of Madras style veg gravies and even non-veg gravies. Okay, now let's see how to make it. Take a wide and heavy bottomed pan. This helps prevent the masala ingredients from getting burned while roasting. If the masala gets burnt, the taste of the powder will be spoiled. So using a wide heavy bottomed pan will help roast all the ingredients evenly without burning. Let's add 100 grams of cumin seeds. Roast them until they are nicely heated and reach a light golden color stage. That will be the perfect stage to take them out. Next, add 100 grams of pepper and roast it well. Roast it until the pepper starts to puff up slightly and release its aroma. Once it reaches that stage, you can take it out. Next, add on 100 grams of mustard seeds. Roast them until they start to splutter and slightly change color. Once they reach that popping stage, you can take them out. Don't over roast the mustard seeds. Next, add 100 grams of fennel seeds. Roast them until they slightly change color and release a strong aroma. Once you get that nice fennel smell, you can take them out. Next, going to add 100 grams of toor dal. Toor dal takes a little longer to roast than chana dal. Roast the toor dal first for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add 100 grams of chana dal and roast them together. Once both dals turn slightly golden in color, add 50 grams of urat dal. Roast everything together until they reach a light golden color stage. You can take them out. Next, add 50 grams of fenugreek seeds. Roast them until they turn a light golden color and release a nice aromatic smell. Once they reach that stage, you can take them out. Next, I am taking 100 grams of rice. I am using parboiled rice, but you can also use raw rice. Roast it until it starts to puff slightly, and once it reaches that stage, take it out. Next, going to add 50 grams of dry ginger and 50 grams of turmeric finger. We just need to heat them slightly. There is no need for any color change while roasting. Along with these ingredients, add a handful of curry leaves and roast them until they become crispy. Now the turmeric and dry ginger are heated. So I have taken them out. After removing them, I am roasting only the curry leaves separately. Once the curry leaves become nice and crispy, you can take them out. Next, I am taking 1 kg of coriander seeds. I am roasting them in 2 batches, little by little. The coriander seeds should not change color. Keep the flame on low and roast the coriander seeds gently. We just need the coriander seeds to get well heated. Once they are nicely heated, take them out. Next, going to add 500 grams of spicy red chillies. To prevent the chillies from causing sneezing while roasting, I am first adding a little rock salt. This helps reduce the irritations while frying. Now I will add the chillies little by little and roast them evenly. Once they are nicely heated, take them out. Next, to give this Madras special Kulambu Masala a rich natural color, I am adding 300 grams of Kashmiri red chillies. Roast them lightly until heated and then take them out. Now I have transferred all this roasted masala ingredients into another vessel. Next, we can take them to a grinding masala shop and get them finely ground into a masala powder. After grinding the masala powder, open the container and let it cool completely so that the heat can escape. Once the masala has cooled down fully, close the container tightly and store it properly. We can keep a small quantity in a separate box for regular use. This way, the masala powder will stay fresh for a long time. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the home recipes.